Welcome back. In this final lesson of this section, we will revisit some of the main takeaways for the exam. This is meant to serve as a summary of the section. Let's get started with the EBS volumes. As we discussed before, EBS volumes are high-performance block storage service designed for EC2 instances. They are basically like a network drive that you attach to your EC2 instance. This network drive is responsible for containing the operating system your EC2 instance uses and for persistently storing your data. Remember that EBS volumes must be in the same availability zone as the EC2 instance. With EBS volumes, you get billed for the provisioned capacity. You can make snapshots of your EBS volumes, and the snapshots capture a point in time of your EBS volume state. We use these snapshots to create new volumes and can use them to create volumes across availability zones and regions. We can also use them to create an AMI, and we can use them to launch and create new EC2 instances. Now, we also have the DLM, or Data Lifecycle Manager, that can help us automate the snapshot process. It can help us enforce company policies that are meant for us to retain and delete backups. Don't forget about the instance store volumes, which are physically attached at the local level to the EC2 instance. This type of storage is ephemeral, which is a fancy term that means the data will be lost if the EC2 instance fails or is turned off. Instance store volumes are good for short-lived data like buffers, caches, and any other type of temporary data that is generated by the application or service you have running on your EC2 instance. Now, we also have the EFS File System. Remember that the EFS File System is a fully managed serverless service that provides a network file system or NFS file share system for your Linux instances. It's useful because we can share files with hundreds of EC2 instances simultaneously so that everyone in your company has access to necessary files. EFS also works across availability zones and can even share files to your on-premise workloads. Also, do not forget that we as AWS customers and AWS are responsible for when it comes to S3. We are responsible for things like data encryption, replication, and S3 versioning, while AWS is responsible for the global infrastructure, configuration and vulnerability analysis, and maintaining compliance with third-party auditors like PCI, DSS, and HIPAA. Now, we also have one of the most important services that AWS has to offer, and that is S3. This is an object-based storage service that offers scalability, availability for your files, security, and performance. It offers 11 nines of durability, and it is the backbone to other AWS services, and we can use it for things like data lakes, backup and restore, and to run cloud-native applications. Don't forget about the features that S3 has to offer, like transfer acceleration, versioning, cross-region replication, and same-region replication. We can leverage these features to provide data redundancy and availability. Also, don't forget about the different S3 storage classes we have, like S3 Standard, S3 Intelligent Tiering, S3 IA, S3 Glacier, and so on. Each one having a different use case and costs associated to it. That's it for the section summary. I'll see you in the next section.